Welcome to Swell Bar and Kitchen, located in the heart of the city of Truro. Our menus are carefully pieced together using the best seasonal local produce in the county. As an independent business ourselves, we appreciate the importance of supporting local, which in turn helps Cornwall as a whole. We pride ourselves on our service being informative and knowledgeable in a relaxed environment. Swell Bar and Kitchen is continually developing, so please keep up to date with our ongoings by following us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Visit us online, swellbarandkitchen.com.